Okay, I'm going to try and make this quick. For all you guys out there with the 8.1 Vortec Chevy engine that's making a ticking noise, this cam came out of a 04 W22 chassis, the workhorse chassis off my RV. The RV is a National Seabreeze. It's an 04 again. I bought it from the original owner in 2014. Today's date is March 24th, 2019. So when I bought it, it had 27,500 miles on it, and I've put about 6,000. So right now it's about 34,000 miles, and the thing developed a tick, 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 tick that increased with RPMs about a year ago. And I've been on the internet looking and trying to figure out what it is. Finally, I took the intake manifold off and found the cam had a worn, if you can see that, I don't know if it's fuzzy or not, a worn lobe. And then when I got it out, it's even got worse on that side, if you can see that. Also, the lifter, the wheel still spins, but it's all chewed up on the lifter. And the other thing that surprised me is the little flange broke off of the rocker arm. That little flange is supposed to be on there. This was sitting in the top of the head. When I went to clean the oil out, putting it all back together, I found this sitting on top of the head along with these two other little pieces of metal. So I've just put it all back together, put a new cam, all new lifters, new rocker arm, no tick.